Good morning, happy new month, happy last day of the week, my brothers and sisters in the business of trading. How you doing? Have you guys been okay? I've not had the time to be here for some days. Life has been busy. I've mentioned severally in the past that there are times where I will not be available because I have other commitments. I have other businesses that I run. So is the reason why I always say that what I share, they are not signals, they are just ways to help you think. So when you have your, what did I just do? When you have your moment where I'm not here, that is the moment for you to actually now test yourself to see if you are actually learning something. You get, because you cannot succeed as much as you would want to if you are still very much reliant on somebody. So I'm going to repeat what I spoke about on gold when I was doing the gold video, just in case there are people who only focus on watching one instrument. So it is the first day of a new month. This is After this month, we have just one more month before the end of the year. It's important for you to make yourself a future-based individual. A future-based individual thinks about the future in all he or she does. Why am I saying this? I am saying this because it is very important for you to stick to the trading rules. So use this beginning of this month as a time to follow the rules, not to make money, no, not to gain pips, no, but to follow the rules. Because when you follow the rules, when you do right, when you build discipline, these things will follow. Let's use these last 2 months of the year to prepare yourself for your future in 2025. And this is why I said be a future based person. Because if you're thinking about how, I don't know when you started trading, I don't know if you've been struggling or not, but if you have been struggling, it is imperative for you to figure out how to have a new year where you will not struggle. And how will you get that new year? Is by becoming a different individual in the trading space. So, how about use this last 2 months to prepare yourself for 2025 if you're still struggling? This is what I mean by a future based trader. How about use this to prepare yourself? To prepare yourself for 2025 by following the rules. So, starting from today, don't overtrade, don't over risk. If you're a stop loss trader like myself, stick to your stop loss. Never remove your stop loss. Never take out your stop loss. Don't revenge trade. All of these things. Let this month be the beginning of that practice, and your trading life will never remain the same. That would be all for now. So, if you see my videos for the first time, what I do here is do analysis, to share my analysis, my thoughts on areas where I'm looking to enter trade. I click on record the moment I get on the chart. So when I'm analyzing, whatever I'm analyzing in that moment is when I am seeing the chart for the first time. So we're actually doing it together in real time. And this will help you know how I think, how I function, and all of that. So anyway, what are we looking at? This area, yes, it is definitely a support, but I don't think it's an area where I would get into a trade. I don't think, but let's see. Because price is in a range, and this range is how big? So it's almost a 500 pip range, but it's just not fine, So, for instance, okay, this is how we trade range. Because it's quite a reasonable range, I will only trade this range. You see, if price should come back in here and get back in and give me a bullish confirmation from around here, like right low, around, like very close to the support, then that can give me that amount of range to probably, try to push up. But if it doesn't, I can't. So the one thing you don't do is trade in the middle of the range, never. Also, Will I sell from here? No, I will not sell from here because it's a small range and price can easily reject at that support. The best place to trade today, three places to trade today, or four different good places to trade today. One would, in this area, one would be if price pushes down here and gives a bullish confirmation from here, buy to go long. If price breaks and close be above this point, clean range to buy to go. I would, this is, if I'm, my preference would be if price closes above this area because I can see a clean range to catch a lot of pips. If price closes below this area, a good place to sell to get to this next zone. If price should give a bearish confirmation right at the top, a bearish confirmation from here, maybe, I doubt it. It will not be a quality trade, but the first three that I've mentioned are the quality trades. So four areas, but three are of more quality to me. And if price breaks into this zone, you can add position and so on and so forth. That is all for Nasdaq for today. Once again, remember, stick to the rules. It's a good time to start doing the right thing. Listen, there is a saying that says no matter how long you've spent in the wrong road, the moment you realize it, make a U-turn. Because even if you spent 1 year and you are 100,000 kilometers in the wrong direction, if you tell yourself, oh, I've been there for a long time, what am I going to do? It's not going to, you're still going to be wasting more time. So the earlier you turn back, the better for you. So the earlier you start doing the right thing, the better for you. Peace out, guys. God bless. Take these advices. They will help you. They will help you even more than these charts that we're sharing. Cheers, guys. Happy weekend. Happy new month. Happy everything.